Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me D. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. For today's video, we're gonna discuss about how I met my husband. Cause I'm seeing some of you, they are asking where I met my husband. For those are new in my channel, just for your information, I married an Egyptian man. So now I am living here in Egypt. I met my husband guys in Abu Dhabi. We are working in the same company. The year I met him is 2014. I met him 2014 and we start knowing each other on 2015. It's very unexpected, guys, to have Egyptian man because it's not in my thinking on that time. And he's good guy. That's why we know each other for about 7 years, guys, before we get married. So we started to talk about the marriage after 2 years. In all the relationship, there's some kind of struggle or so many misunderstanding, especially if you are different nationality. It's very hard to adjust with the culture. You need to have more patience, more understanding. And at last, after 7 years, we get married. We get married, guys, on 2020 in the Corona time in Abu Dhabi as well. And actually, before that, we are already having some pressure because of the marriage. This culture and the conflict of the language with the family. After all, we already fixed everything. And alhamdulillah, we are now here in Egypt. We are living here in Egypt. Most of the relationship in Abu Dhabi actually is very hard to distinguish if it's really going to work because most of them are different nationalities and very big different with the culture. Not everyone can accept the culture of other countries, especially the families. And for me, guys, alhamdulillah, we get our things done together for the years, for the long time. But that's what I believe that's what you call really love because you're holding on to each other. You didn't leave each other for the long time until you will get married. Every relationship, guys, you need to fight for it, you know. And then 2020, we started to talk about the marriage. Sorry guys, we didn't get married 2020, 2022, 2024, 25, 2022. Because actually that was our plan, 2020. And Corona time is there. So we get married in 2022. We get move and move and move. You know, it's long time processing with the papers in the Corona time. From my country, taking some papers, and his country needs some papers. So we get married on 2022, and still Corona is there. So I didn't bring my family. And alhamdulillah, his father came in Abu Dhabi. His uncle didn't made it, but only his father is there and the sister and the family of the sister, guys. And that's in the family side. But my family side, guys, there's no one. But in the church, there's live. When we get married, actually, the church provide the live in the YouTube. So all of our family can watch and before the time of the marriage we shared the link of the video, guys, so they can watch us on the screen getting married. And we also have the video with us. It takes like almost 2 hours, I think, the marriage, because there's also some prayers in the church and pictures like that. So we get married 2022 and we continue working. But 2020, guys, I leave my job. I transfer to another company in 2022. So 2022, I transfer with another company and he's still staying on the same company that we are working before. Now, in the time, we are already discussing where we will live, because for him, if he will live in the Philippines, guys, it's very hard to find a job. And if you are going to make the business in Philippines as well, it needs some time for him to adjust with the culture and the language. So, unlike for me, I already speak little Arabic, guys. So, the culture also, I have a knowledge already with their culture for the long time I'm staying in UAE. So, we decided to settle here in Egypt. He came here in Egypt last year, 2024, around 2024 on April. And I came here 2024 November. But for him, it's like 2023, he's kept coming here because of some problem in the house. We also fixed the house like that. So on 2024, last year, I settled us here. We leave everything in Abu Dhabi, guys. We leave our job and we stay here in Egypt. And alhamdulillah, everything is going good, going better, guys. You know, I'm already 5 months living here in Egypt, and I am happy living in Egypt, guys. So many of my kabayans Filipinos, they are keep asking me how I am living here in Egypt, how I adjust with the language. It's not big different, guys, living in Middle East if you stay here in Egypt. But the only thing, if you're using some product, you cannot get all the product here in Egypt the same as what you are getting in UAE. So when I came here, I bought many things of mine stock. At least I can still have some time to adjust with their products. But actually, everything is good here in Egypt, guys. All their product, food, it's very nice. The food in Egypt. We're gonna talk about that next time. So I love the food here in Egypt, guys. And the weather. When I came here in November, I really love the weather because it's winter. The winter here in Egypt, guys, it's so good. It's amazing. So, me and my husband now, guys, are living here in Egypt. And alhamdulillah, everything is under control. We're gonna plan to go to Philippines, guys, maybe end of this year, inshallah. So, we're gonna see you also in Philippines. I think that's all for now, guys. And we're gonna talk about some topic again next time. I'm gonna share with you some story again next time. So I'll see you on my next video, and thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button, guys. Welcome to Egypt, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!